Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap on them. Here let's tap on see all 42 apps, of course 42 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.